A very good morning, students. So, today I am going to tell you about the properties of the solids. First of all, the revision should be there. First is electrical properties of solids, having the three types: conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. On that day also I have told to you, and today also I am telling to you. Conductors, those solids which allow the passage of electric current to pass. I have given a written work also to you this. See on this one side, I have told to you about the conductors, that conductors, they allow the electricity to pass in a conductor. In insulators, first of all you see the diagram of the conductor. This is a diagram of the conductor where a very small gap is between the CV, means conduction band, and the valence band. Okay, this is the conductor. Next we are telling about the conductors are of two types. One is metallic and second is electrolytic. Metallic, in which the electricity is passed but without any chemical change. There is no chemical change. Electrolytic, electricity passed by undergoing chemical change. Means in this one the chemical change is undergoing electrolytic. This one. After this, you have seen the diagram of the conductors. After the diagrams of the conductors, we are telling about the insulators. Solids which do not allow the electric current pass through them, means electric current will not pass. Now you can see the diagram of this one. Insulators having too much gap in between, very large gap is there in between CV and VV. CV means conduction band, VV means valence band. They having the higher energy CV and they having the least energy. Next we are telling about the semiconductors. Solids conductivity lies between those of the metallic and the insulators. Now in this one semiconductors, what we will do, there in between, this is the metallic conduct, this is the metallic one. Between the metallic and between the insulator, between these two, okay, between these two lies what is the space between it, that is said to be the semiconductor. Means its space is not more not less, but small gap is there. Here very small gap, here larger gap, here is middle gap. When we are talking about the range of it, in a conductor 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 7, this is the unit, or meter inverse, meter inverse. This is the range 10 to the power minus 20 to 10 to the power minus 10. This one 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power 10 to the power 4. These are the important questions it will come in paper. Okay, this is important one, not for the UT, it is for, I am telling about, I am teaching to you as a board. Okay, what we are going to do in a board, I am going to tell you those things. Okay, after this, already I have told to you about this conductivity. Now this band model, the difference in electrical conductance, behavior of conductor, insulator and semiconductor, already I have told to you. The band model is of two types, CV and VV. So they are telling that the electrical conductance between the conductors, insulators and semiconductors, which is called as a band model, and they having the different bonds, CV and VV. Next, band theory. Band theory is also formed from the bonding in metals. When the in a metals the bonding is there, and form a molecular orbital theory from the metals, that is called as a band theory. Next we are telling here energy bands, means band is there which having the more amount of energy, means they having the large amount of molecular orbitals, which is close energy is there, means very close, they are very close together. When they are very close together, they are having the more energy. And sometimes they are overlapped to each other. Overlap means this is a one, after this again second thing will come on this one, so we can say this is the overlapping. Here now you can see the diagram. First of all you see this thing, actually this thing is when we are studying in the coordination compounds, and that one it will come, so it's very important, also very important. So what we have to say in this one, Group of energy level is known as energy band. These are the energy which is known as a means energy level is there, then it is said to be the energy band. Okay, and is responsible for the name band model for metals. Okay, now this is two they are dividing. First upper side is called as anti-bonding molecular orbital, bonding molecular orbital. Here two are present. If here three is present electrons, then anti-bonding, non-bonding and bonding molecular. You can listen to me very carefully. First is anti-bonding, non-bonding and bonding molecular orbitals. In this one, if four electrons will take place, anti-bonding between the two molecular orbital and bonding molecular orbital between the two. Understood this thing? After this, they are showing the color of the bands. These are the color of the bands. Energy is going on the increase one side. This is the, we have taken the example of the lithium. This already I have explained to you. This is the gap between semiconductors, conductors and the insulators. Conductors, in this one you can see no gap is there. Sometimes gap is there or sometimes if gap is not there. If gap is there, that gap is very, very small. After this, for the 2-3 marks, like what is the behavior of semiconductors in two types? So we can say the semiconductors work as a two types. One is intrinsic and second is extrinsic. By a name only we should know intrinsic means the inside and extrinsic means the outside. Okay. So intrinsic, what we have to say in this one? Pure silicon or germanium are poor conductors because they have network or lattice for four strong covalent bonds. The crystal will now is able to conduct electricity. Means is there if the positiveness is there. When the positiveness is there, then what we conduct the electricity. When we conduct the electricity, what will happen then? The crystals will now able to conduct electricity. Why? Because when electric field is applied on these one, the electron move in one direction and the positive holes move in the other direction. So they are moving in a different direction. So it is said to be the intrinsic. Now extrinsic. Extrinsic and extrinsic, why that on name only electron coming from the outside. The impurities, two types, electron rich or donor we can say, or acceptor we can say. Donor means if we are giving two electrons to someone else. Acceptor, if we are taking the electron. If we will take, we are accepting. If we will give, then it is a donor. So very important definition, doping. Already I have told to you dope. The conductivity is increased by adding an appropriate amount of suitable impurity. If impurity is there and then we want to add something to make it pure, it is said to be the doping. The conductivity of silicon and germanium increases. Now, if the question will ask, tell me the example of doping in which there is conductivity increase fast, then you have to say it is a silicon and the germanium. Okay, so electron rich or donor impurities means they having the more amount of impurities when they are giving the donating. Acceptor means we have to accept this thing. In this one, electron holes are present. When the electron holes are present, those electron holes we can say as the electron vacancies also. Okay, in this one the electrons are moved and shift from one place to another place and they left an empty space. You can see the diagram here. In a semiconductors, two things are taken place. One is N type and second is P type. Okay, this thing is taken place. Now magnetic properties of solid is of two types. Orbital motion around the nucleus, spin of or electrons around its own. Orbital motion around the nucleus means this is between this is the nucleus and around of it is going. Spin means one is this side, one is this side, means one is clockwise, second is anti-clockwise. These things are there in a book. Diamagnetic double is there. Okay, means repelled is there but they are doubled. Paramagnetic, they are permanent but they are not repel each other. Ferromagnetic, already I have given the definitions to you. So I think our chapter is fully finished. Okay, please you see these one questions which is important for you also, and those students who have not taken the ABC book, please take it from the market. So students, today we will stop here, and from the next one class, a Zoom class, we will start a next chapter, that is the solution. Thank you students, and have a nice day.